Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Kumulong lem kue gejala hapo kari India, gejala Meghalaya mentagasngi kan rotruk no pra arajar posau. Klara ke Rising Day negasngi khaj Civil Defence and Home Guard kebanru pu Arsnam hakba uba coming one umban Menteri Sarkar lawan menshim ya kebenta kumukongsan. Ya kan negajing ke Rising Day jaga Civil Defence and Home Guard lapin long modiang diang Shillong. Haga negasngi Menteri Sarkar pe ya ketrat Civil Defence and Home Guard ba coming one umban lashim ya salute haga review parade berkumjuk ru haga march pass. Nalor kani ubak coming one la samru ya ka President Home Guard but Civil Defence u MK Sangma ubade Joint Director ka Civil Defence Shillong Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guard ubak Boxstar Minsong u Inspector ka Border Wing Home Guard ubak PH Shilla u Senior Staff Officer Barkiwaipan u MK Singh ubade Commandant ka Civil Defence and Home Guard ula sami ka Director General Civil Defence and Home Guard chigi khandai ngut ki officer jo ka negatanan. Habakaran kumukong san ubak coming one omban loong bagi pulit Home Guard lalong gibala kre banyaram habagiran kam kirki banyarap yaki beriu habagiran gijingja basuan ja kendet.
The Honorable Chief Guest will now review the contingents participating in the parade today.
The Parade 2 ICs, Inspector 4-Star Keela Murray from District Training Center, Jawai. The first platoon approaching the saluting dais is that of the Border Wing Home Guards Battalion, led by Sub-Inspector B. Kahipaya Lingdor of Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. Leading the brass band. Ramchas Lamari, the band is playing the tune India Gate.
State is also celebrating the occasion in a benefiting manner. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the recipients of the President Home Guard and Civil Defence Medal for the Distinguished Service and Civil Defence and Home Guards Medal for meritorious service. I also congratulate those who have received the commendation list from the Director General Fire Service, Home Guard and Civil Defence, New Delhi, and the Director General Civil Defence and Home Guards Meghalaya Commendation Certificate. I am sure they, along with the family members, they are very proud of the recognition which they have received. I am sure that in the future also, these officers and men will continue to serve the department with a great sincerity and devotion to the duty. The award of this medal, commendation certificate should serve as an inspiration to others to perform their official duties in a more diligent manner. The twin organizations of Civil Defence and Home Guard have over the years rendered human service to society. They are primarily community-based and volunteer organizations where the spirit of service of the highest essence. These two organizations have played a significant role in providing assistance in many emergencies whenever any calamities, both natural or man-made, has occurred. The role of Home Guards volunteer in regulating traffic provide Guards duty to the assembly complex, and any other VIP residents and all. These two organizations also provide help to the civil administration and the state police in the maintenance of law and order, and also in VIP security duty. In meeting security requirements of many central and state government departments and public sector undertakings. They also serve the society by imparting training to the home guards, volunteers, and conducting various training courses on civil defense subjects, including disaster management. This is a new role in which this organization has been building up expertise and training volunteers both in the rural and urban areas to be prepared to face any contingency. And I would advise the department to take active help of various local bodies like the Dorbar, Nokmas, etc., so that capacity building and awareness to face any challenges become widespread. I am also happy to learn that during the current years, the Office of Civil Defense and Home Guard had imparted training on disaster management, search and rescue, and medical first aid to about 9,614 local public and students in urban and rural areas. NGOs, schools and college students, government officials extra during the year 2023-24, 160 Home Guard volunteers and 410 civil defense volunteers were imparted training. As many as 1,977 trained Home Guards volunteers are currently engaged by various government departments, PSU and private agencies. These has helped the concerned volunteers in earning some income while providing security to the concerned department and agencies. Around 4,15,87,000 only for construction of food sanitation pool for training purpose and water emergency at personnel. Hopefully by this year, I think we will get a sanction by this financial year. I already request the Honorable Chief Minister also to kindly sanction for this purpose. And also, we send a proposal around 30 lakhs, 10,049 rupees for construction of 11 kV line and 200 kVA substation for providing power supply to civil defense and home guard and office UI.
For meritorious. For the director. For the Director General of Civil Defense. Shri R.P. Shri Vijay Sulen, Sub-Inspector Meghalaya Secretariat Home Guards, Shillong. Srimati B. Kahipaya Lingdor, Sub-Inspector. Shri Rajiv A. L. Maunai, Sub-Inspector Bordering Home Guards Battalion. Shri Babash A. Marak Havildar, District Training Center Home Guards, Tura.